Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Voice Memos app. If you never used Recorder before, select Allow in all available pop-ups. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. When recording is on, hold this gray line and drag it up. Now you can tap on this big button at the bottom to pause or unpause your recording. If you decide to pause it, you can listen to it right away and skip it 15 seconds each way. When your recording is paused, you can also edit it right away. In order to do that, click on this icon at the top right corner. Then decide if you wish to trim it or delete parts of it. And to save your changes, click on Save at the top right corner. If you wish to discard them, just tap on Cancel at the top left one. You can also click on this little icon of 3 sliders on the left and manage all of those options, like playback speed, skip silence, and enhance recording. To discard all changes you made in those options, click on the top left corner. To save them, tap on the top right one. Now, to end and save your recording, just tap on Done at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to play it, click on it and tap on the play button. In order to rename it, just click on its current title and type in wherever you wish to. Now you can click on those 3 dots on the right and decide what you wish to do with your recording by hitting on the best option for you, like duplicate. Now, to delete it completely, you can tap on this bin at the bottom right corner of it, or you can select Edit at the top right corner. Choose one of your recordings that you wish to delete and tap on this bin at the bottom right corner. You can also click on the top left corner, select Recently Deleted, and restore one of your recording deleted by mistake. In order to do that, hit Edit at the top right corner, click on one of your recordings and tap on Recover. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!